A lot of people think that once you write a press release, you go public with it, you post it on all the things, whether it's your blog, social media, but I actually don't want you to do that yet. Before you shop it around to see who wants to cover it first as an exclusive. You can Google this online, but a lot of people don't tell you that it's really a two-step process. The first step is to write the press release. And before you put it out there on a newswire or on your blog, use that as a way to see if any top tier journalists would be interested in covering it first. You're basically giving them first dibs or a first sneak peek before it goes live. It's an email that you write to a journalist and say, hey, since you cover this, we're announcing something that's important for X, Y, and Z reasons. I would love, love, love to show you the press release because you are our top choice outlet to share the announcement with. And if you're interested in an exclusive, let me know. I'll be happy to send you the press release. So actually, it's almost like a carrot that you're dangling in front of them and you're seeing if they'd be interested to cover it first. That's your leverage, if you will. Now, obviously, you can still put it on the news wires if you've done all of your pitching and no one's interested, and you can still get media pickups. In fact, the Legends app that I talked about earlier, they were able to get media coverage 3-4 weeks after they posted it, on the internet, and got multiple pickups. And they're still getting media pickups, but you only have one chance to shop it around for an exclusive. So give yourself maybe a few weeks. I tell this to all my VIP day clients. I walk them through a process where we write the press release, we really hone in on the message that we want to go to media with, but I don't want them to post it anywhere yet. I want them to use this as leverage and kind of dangle it in front of the journalists and say, hey, we have this exciting announcement. Let me know if you're interested in covering it as an exclusive, and I'm happy to give you more details. Do you see how that is power? That is your way of giving them an extra incentive to cover you. Now, I know I've thrown a lot at you. The topic of press releases is not something that you can learn in 20 minutes or maybe, not even in an hour, but I'm hoping that from this episode, you've been able to gain some valuable insights on how you can approach a press release. So whether you're writing your first or your third or your fifth, you'll be able to tweak it and make it extra concise, extra punchy to increase your rate of getting it on that dream outlet and using it as a conversation starter. Remember, this is more than just a one and done. Doing your PR, honing in on your message is really about building powerful relationships for the long term of your business. Because if you can just get that one journalist to be interested, there's no limit to the amount of times you can be featured, right? A lot of times journalists write for multiple publications, right? And so once they have vet you, they know that you are a great communicator, it's very likely that they're going to go back to you for more comments or more quotes for additional stories. So don't think of it as once you have been featured once, that's it. In fact, it's really the opposite. It's that one domino that's not going to knock down so many other dominoes and open up so many doors for you to be featured on multiple outlets, maybe be invited to speaking, submit for your awards, and so many more. So, for more information about podcasts, you can go to episode 41 and 42, and also check out Gloria Chou, pr.com/VIP, on how I can help you hone in on your message and go to media with your very own press release announcement.